Ladies and gentlemen, I am the Fabulous 95, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Piston Cup Race 11 pack from Target. This is from the Blue Desert series. It's got the Mater with Lightning Bolt hat, Paunchy Wipeout, Easy Idle 15 Racer, I don't know his name. So, really the only reason I got this was for the different variant of Paunchy Wipeout, Easy Idle, Gas Sprint, and the Mater. And I might also do some customs for some of these extra next gens. And it's always good to have more chase race slots. So, that was the front. Now on the back, if I can flip this over without destroying everything. You see basically all the names and what cars come in it. We got Mater with Lightning Bolt hat, Rusty's Lightning McQueen, Ryan and Sun Lady, Jackson Storm, Paunchy Wipeout, Floyd, Move Hill, Chase Racer, Cam Spitter, Barry to Pedal, Carl Clutchin, and Rex Shoveler. I like to add that only the first three cars have like different names when it comes to different places, but whatever. So now you see that, I'll get the guy in box. Now I got the whole thing unboxed, I'm gonna start reviewing these cars one by one. Now, let's start off with the Mater. Now, the first thing I noticed about this Mater when I unboxed it is that this guy has a lot of detail done to him. If I had another Mater around, which I don't think, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now that I'm back, you can, if you look at where the engine is, you can tell that the engine added a lot more detail for the, we'll show it. Because you can see where the hood would be. Right there. Well, on this one they don't have it. Also at the top you see there's a different color. Also, Mater's eyes normally have like two bars right there. Now they don't. So you can tell that they added a lot more detail to this one. On the side, they added more into the hinge of the door. Also into the light. The tow cable is also another great example of how much more in detail they went. The back too, because you can see that they just went a lot more in detail with this one. Like some of the designs are bigger. It's a really cool diecast. So this is probably gonna be my all-time new favorite diecast until, well, it's my all-time favorite diecast that was released in a 10-pack. There has been no other one that's really topped that one. So, now that that one is done, and this is my favorite diecast for this 10-pack, by the way, and it's rivaling my favorite diecast of the tractor racers at the moment. So, the next cars are going to be the two veterans that I needed. Number 15, name was Carl Clutchin and Floyd Move. I butchered this guy's last name, not gonna lie. So, as you can see, these both have blue color screens, but this guy's number used to be 51, but I guess they just swapped it around. This guy's number is the same. Now, these guys, they both have black rims, which is kind of questionable, but okay. And that's basically it for them. I feel like I don't really have much to say about them, because I really want to make this video kind of shorter, but whatever. And then, as I was going through, I said before I didn't have the Paunchy Wipeout without the black eyelids, so that's me. But something else that caught my eye is that I was looking at my some of my new cars, and I realized that this triple dent gun is different than my original one. Yes, I have a Thailand version and I have a China variant now, but The China variant, the, like, where the, roof is, and, like, the plastic in here is kind of loose, which is not good. But also, it's a lot more vibrant in its coloring. This one's, like, more of a metallic blue, while the other one's, like, more just, like, I don't even know what color blue that is. First, the rims are metallic, the white is more vibrant. It's just... If I had to choose between which one of these I'd rather use, I'd probably choose this one in a heartbeat, because as you can tell from here, it's a lot more vibrant of a blue. It's also the same with, all of the next gens. The, Ryan's Hylanese, same. China variant on the one side, Thailand variant on the other side. Besides the eyes being different, like, the color scheme, the metallic rims, which, those are really cool, by the way. They all still have the rookie stripes still, which kind of... Do they all have the rookie stripes? Yeah. Yep. All of them have the rookie stripes still, which still gets on my nerves, but whatever, fine. But yeah, the China one has a less vibrant orange, but it has metallic rims, while the Thailand one has a more, like, tangerine orange, which I guess is kind of weird, but cool at the exact same time. I was kind of move you there, too. So we're going to put the ones out. So if I had the choice between the two of these, I would probably choose this one because I like the rims. This one's okay, but I like the China one better. So China's got one. Thailand, actually, China's got 2. Thailand's got 0. Let's see if we can turn this one around. Now we got our last comparison of this video, and the surprising thing is Brian DePedal. As you can see again, it's different color scheme. The one on the right is Thailand, and the one on the left is China. Personally, I would choose the China one because the more metallic paint, it's a darker purple, and here it looks blue. Well, it's supposed to be purple. The more vibrant color, I feel like, is better. So, you can tell me in the comments which ones you like. I'm going to stick with, out of the 3 next gens that I have, I'm probably going to start using the China ones now instead of the Thailand ones. Because, personally, I like the China ones, even though the cam spinner back thing moves, but whatever. It's still whatever. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And stop moving. And let's try to get to 400 by the end of January. So, I'll see you guys next time.